If an AI can detect cancer earlier than a human, what happens to the humans doing the detecting? Radiology is one of the most AI-impacted roles in healthcare, and it's raising serious questions about what's next. Welcome back to SkillSync AI, where we break down how artificial intelligence is transforming everyday job roles. Today we're talking about radiology, a field that deals with X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and more. It's also one of the most complex, high-stakes areas in healthcare. Radiologists are under intense pressure, diagnosing life-threatening conditions, reviewing hundreds of images daily, and doing it all under time pressure. Enter AI. From tools that detect tumors faster than humans to platforms that streamline workflows, AI is changing how radiologists work and sparking debate over whether they'll still be needed at all. Let's take a look. What radiologists actually do first. Let's clear something up. Radiologists aren't just people who look at scans. They're highly trained doctors who interpret medical images, write diagnostic reports, recommend treatments, communicate findings to physicians. In other words, they don't just find the needle in the haystack. They decide what it means, what to do next, and who needs to know. How AI is already being used in radiology. AI isn't theoretical. It's already in use across radiology departments worldwide. Platforms like ADOC, Zebra Medical Vision, and Curie.ai are scanning X-rays, CTs, and MRIs in real time, looking for lung nodules, intracranial hemorrhages, fractured stroke indicators. In many cases, the AI flags potential issues before a human ever sees the image. It's not a second opinion, it's a first alert. At a hospital in London, ADOC reduced time to diagnosis for brain bleeds by over 30%. In India, Curie.ai is helping remote clinics identify tuberculosis on chest X-rays in minutes, without needing a radiologist on site. Speed plus scale, structure game changer. The average radiologist may review 100 to 200 cases per day. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't blink. It can scan thousands of images in seconds. This helps reduce backlogs, flag urgent cases faster, maintain accuracy during overnight or weekend shifts. And in countries with radiologist shortages, which is most of them, AI is already filling critical gaps. Example, a Kenyan pilot program used AI to assist in reading thousands of X-rays, cutting wait times from weeks to hours. What AI can detect that humans miss. Studies have shown that AI can outperform human radiologists in certain tasks. For example, a 2020 study in Nature found that Google's breast cancer detection AI reduced false positives by 5.7% and false negatives by 9.4% compared to radiologists. AI is especially good at spotting microcalcifications, subtle pattern changes, tiny nodules missed by tired human eyes. In fact, some researchers believe AI will soon outperform humans in image pattern recognition across all modalities, from mammograms to retinal scans. So, is AI replacing radiologists? Here's the big question. Are radiologists on the chopping block? Not exactly. Leading experts, including those at Harvard Medical School and the American College of Radiology, agree that AI is a tool, not a replacement. Why? AI lacks contextual judgment. It can't integrate complex patient histories. It may spot an abnormality, but not explain what it means in real-world terms. In short, AI can flag problems. Radiologists still make the calls. A great analogy. Think of AI as a digital co-pilot. It can navigate, scan, and assist. But the radiologist is still in the captain's seat. How radiologists are adapting to AI. So how are radiologists actually working with AI? Double reading. AI reads the scan first. The human confirms or adjusts. Workflow triage. Urgent cases flagged by AI get bumped to the top. Automation of admin tasks. Reporting templates, note generation, and case summaries now handled by tools like Rad.ai. And more radiologists are upskilling in AI literacy so they can audit model output and spot potential errors. It's becoming a core competency, not a threat. limitations and ethical challenges. That said, AI isn't perfect, and radiologists need to stay sharp. AI tools can miss rare pathologies, struggle with poor image quality, inherit bias from training data. In some cases, over-reliance on AI has led to misdiagnoses or unnecessary panic. That's why AI in medicine needs human oversight, transparent audit trails, constant performance testing. Because in healthcare, mistakes aren't just embarrassing, they're life-threatening. Radiology isn't being replaced, it's being upgraded. The best radiologists in 2025 will be those who work with AI, not against it, using smart tools to go faster, stay sharper, and catch what others miss. If you're in healthcare, or curious about how AI is reshaping job roles, make sure you subscribe to SkillSync AI. Tomorrow, we'll explore how medical admin teams are using AI to automate appointment scheduling, billing, and even patient intake. One role, one video, every day.